In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Photoshop via the Creative Cloud desktop app. Keeping Photoshop up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, and the simplest way to do that is through the Creative Cloud desktop app that manages all your Adobe apps in one place. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. You'll usually find it like any other application. On Windows, check the Start menu. On Mac OS, look in your Applications folder or use Spotlight Search. You can also look for the Creative Cloud icon in your taskbar or menu bar. If it's there, click it to bring the app to the front. Give it a moment to load your installed apps and subscriptions. Once the app is open, head to the Apps tab. This is the section dedicated to everything you have installed and what's available to install. Depending on your layout, you'll see apps in the left sidebar or along the top. Click it to see a list of your Adobe applications organized by installed and available to install. If your window is small, you might need to expand it to see the full list clearly. Next, find Photoshop in the list of installed apps. If you have a lot of Adobe tools, use the search bar at the top and type Photoshop to jump straight to it. You should see the Photoshop card showing its current status. If it says open, you're already on a version that doesn't need immediate attention. If you see an update button, that means a newer version is ready for you. If an update is available, click update next to Photoshop. The download will begin and you'll see a progress indicator so you can track how it's going. You can continue using your computer while the update installs, but it's best to close Photoshop if it's running so the installer can replace files smoothly. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few minutes. When it's finished, the button will switch to open and you can launch the latest version right away. If no update button appears, you're already up to date and you can simply open Photoshop as usual. That's all there is to it. Open Creative Cloud, go to the Apps tab, find Photoshop and click Update when you see it. Regularly checking here keeps your tools current so you can take advantage of new features and improved stability with